don't know. The bid's refreshing. I can't. Yeah, it's too close to call there for me to get into this short. I kind of want to. I want to be short right here at 270, but I'm gonna chicken out. It was a lot of buying at the previous day close
Order
that they did
submitted.
not. The sellers were not able to cross through. It's a pretty big group of turkeys down there. Trying to get in. What time is it? So noon just happened. There's sometimes like this little 12:05 guy that clicks in.
Someone
So
asked me if it was my perfect short. Yes. I was waiting for exact short since market opened. I was
yep,
waiting all morning to get this short.
it was good too. It was great.
Yeah. And on my morning stream, I said, no way I'm going to long this. It's
Yep.
either short for me and I'm going to short this, or it's going to be like no trades.
Dasha, you might be the most patient trader I know.
Yeah, I know. I was patient enough.
Is it from having kids?
I like you.
Because I'm not
Yes.
patient. I should be.
Do you always wait for 5 minutes? Oh, I don't use fair value gaps for my trade for my entries. I always only order blocks. But yeah, fair value can be continuation setup or just confirmation. But I don't use 1 minute chart at all. But no, I don't use fair value gap for entry point. Yeah, sell below 10 open also was good play. Yes, yes, no problem with this. First opportunity could be like high risk entry, 3 minute OB, like better opportunity below than I'm open. It's up to you. I mean, two great entries. I just entered 7 micros. I could add extra to my position at 10 I'm open, but 7 micros is already a lot for an Q trade on Friday. But yeah, short below 10 I'm open was good play as well. It was initial plan. Nice shorts. This chart, 3 minute chart. I use 3 and 5 minute chart for entries.
Hmm.
Yeah, I still trade 3 minute OBs for like 16 months. Not cheating on them.
It's really slowed down. They have put some liquidity down there though, at least on ES.
I think NQ will try to
There you
take
go.
daily open. Pretty sure it will take this, and then it might be reaction. The question is big reaction or not? Because if no reaction, it should be just straight down, free fall.
More ice down here, 53. I gotta splash that, right?
Come on. So once again, guys, my TP 7 points higher than daily open. My TP at 243.50. I put it slightly higher just in case they want to like reverse couple of ticks away from daily open. So I decided to give it like a room. So 243.50 is my TP, just in case it's really hard to see text on your screen. How can I?
Hmm. Okay, one more test this previous day high. So this is definitely a really good example of how to use the delta volume profile to determine the auction. So this is a bunch of sellers right here crossing the bid into a passive buyer, and this is a bunch of buyers crossing the bid into a passive seller. So there's a seller here trying to hold previous day high, and then there's a buyer here trying to hold previous day close. So this is a little tiny war. I would like to see Who comes out on top? I'm kind of looking at ES for a guide, and I don't have one. So I don't know. It's going a little slow for exciting short continuation.
Stuck at equal lows right now. I
Yeah,
mean, definitely partial level, but I don't know. I just truly believe daily open needs to be taken. I
that's
can take
cool.
like one micro off here, but once again, it doesn't going to make a huge difference for me.
Yeah,
Still would like to see
you got
lower.
room too. I just don't know if I should get in this short. It's tricking me.
Because it was consolidation all morning, that's why it was hard.
Yes.
Drinking my Kirkland water.
Good, good. I gotta go. I don't want to go this weekend, but I might have to. Although the new cat shows up
Order
on
canceled.
Sunday, so it's gonna be it's gonna be crazy weekend. Stowe, what close do I use? 4 p.m. Eastern time. All right, we're getting through it. They're pulling on the Dom. Let's see. They're kind of stacking the bid up too. All right.
Come on, NQ, I know you can do this. It was initially it was like 40, 5 ticks away from my first TP. Wild. Actually, I'm going to probably close. If it's going to hit this line, I'm going to close 5 micros, not 4 micros, because truly expect to get reaction from there. Yeah. Don't go higher yet, please.
That might be this. Same step back in. We kind of tested this 90 guy. This was the
Hmm.
previous spot that we had
Order
sold
submitted.
from. So this is next
Order
up on the
canceled.
list. Previous day high is going to hold
Order
to get
submitted.
higher. What level? The daily open? What level were you trying to get to, Dasha, on NQ?
Mm, daily open at 237.
237.
Mm-hmm. What do you see there?
Oh, that's the that's the Globex open. Okay, cool.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Got it. I don't have that marked anymore because I have too much stuff on my chart. I normally look at that I normally just glance at it, but I must have forgotten to do that. All right, so I am watching just so everybody know I am watching NQ but trading MES at the moment.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to take another one.
Oh, you long on the ES.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I was waiting for this. It took me a couple times and I doubted it big time, but um, I buy this extreme
Mm-hmm.
V range and I've got a squiggly line down here. And I don't know if this is counter trend or not, but oh, nice. Cool. Could go higher if you want to. All right. Take
Too
another one there
early.
at the
Just
IB.
daily open and go higher. I don't mind. Please.
So we just came back and retested that spot on ES now. So I'm definitely in a counter trend trade. So I might have to trail this.
I wouldn't say like it's counter trend trade simply because it's consolidation.
That's fair.
So really hard to.
NQ
I mean, it's
NQ
just
looks more
consolidation.
bullish, so that's why I've had NQ up. I've been trading off of that.
Is this
So
scam over here? I mean,
all right, so I'm watching 64. Sorry, I'll put the chat. What do you want me to have up? Do you want me to have the ES chart there? Here, I'll move everything over. Sorry. Well, I'm only sharing one screen, so it's weird to look at. I'm always worried about moving stuff around on my screen, like I've got some secret documents on my desktop. It's gonna be like Stowe's super
Mira lo que
secret
dice.
file, and I accidentally
Entonces,
share it on
no te
YouTube.
sirve. Léelo todo porque te va a ayudar a ti,
I don't
¿no?
have any secret files though.
No sé si puedes ampliarlo ahí. Ahí,
All right,
acércate. Ya. Ahí. En esta, ajá. Perfecto,
let
con
me
lo que
tighten this up.
es el OTB en esta hoja. En términos simples, el OTB o
That's a
visual
trade minions and destroy everyone. Maybe in near future I'm gonna do this, but not ready for this yet.
visual, ventas planificadas, proyectadas, compras ya realizadas y ajustes, hay devoluciones, no te en la hoja, el OTB está desagregado por su familia, mes, año, país y tipo de título.
Boy, we got close to that overnight low, huh?
Estructura general del cálculo, aunque la hoja no muestra la forma explícita, los campos y los números indican que el cálculo sigue escalones estándares. Presupuesto,
Okay. So I'm watching NQ to see if we can hold this 90 guy again.
compras
If we lose
comprometidas,
this,
planificada y más o menos.
I'm going to close the ES trade. But if we hold on to it, I'm going to try to float back in to balance.
Mm-hmm.
And this would be a great low to leave on ES.
El OTB no
I
mira, solo
remember I I remember some 55 dude from yesterday. 50 to 55 was a pretty big buyer. I don't remember it specifically, but I just remember it being a total pain yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
¿cómo se ve
So
esto
hopefully that
reflejado?
dude is still trying to party.
Según las columnas y registros observados, variables que participan en el cálculo. Su familia,
So ES still below New York midnight open. And Q just closed above New York midnight open. Definitely not good sign for my short, but once again, I don't see longs today.
registro importante
So just
y
don't make
Okay.
longs.
Oh, shaft cap. Very funny, bud. Very
tipo
fun.
1,
I want to be long. It's yeah, so I could probably make I could make some I want to market by. We got to figure out how to there's probably enough Ramon songs that we could figure out how to make how to make trading songs out of
no,
Ramon
no, para
songs.
come los números.
Oh, that's hilarious, bud.
Para comprar puede significar buen sell-out, bajo inventario, su
You guys keep
familia.
asking about my band. Well, guess what? I finally said it was okay for production to share the band stuff. So I asked my band this morning, I was like, do you mind if all these weirdos on the internet figure out what our band sounds like? And they're like, no.
Familia
So it's
equilibrada,
like, okay, fine.
margen relevante para comprar de más.
Yeah, yeah, Jerry. There it is.
So I just got the trade on Lucid accounts and Tradify accounts for $800 profit. So just left the trade on my APX take profit trade
Okay,
on
entonces,
eight futures
según eso,
accounts. So
él
on
es
Lucid and
negativo
Tradify I
en dos
lost the
familias,
profit.
porque
$800 is more
igual
than enough for me.
tiene mucho
So I'm gonna
inventario
leave
y
the trade on
se
E8
gastó
futures
la
take
plata
profit
en
trading on
esos
APX.
meses, en esa familia, en vez de gastarla en la que
That's
está
cool.
pidiendo.
That's a good
Yeah.
call. I like managing like that as well.
Análisis recomendado por su familia.
Like
Para
here, I
analizar
like this. Gonna
diagnóstica, la
disconnect Lucid and
tendencia
Tradify now.
mejora o empeora mes a mes.
Thanks, Ninja Trader. Yeah, the band's called Night Marathons. One word.
Pues ya vimos un error.
And you don't have to like it. You don't have to listen to it. It's not no pressure. It's just a punk rock band.
Pues te está hablando un poco la teoría, ¿no?
But Yins have been asking.
UTB versus inventario.
Let me hold. I just have consistency on Tradify, so I prefer to close for $800 because my base hit on Tradify accounts normally $500. So $800 is already like more than I need. So I decided to lock this there. Better to lock.
You're talking me out of this. Talking me out of this trade right now. I think you might be right, Lumi.
we will see, we will see.
Dude, Chris Bova just made the most insane reference of all time. And I don't know if you knew that I would know what that is, but yes, I know exactly what the River Bottom Nightmare Band is. That's from the best Christmas special that's ever existed, Emmett Otter's Jug Band Christmas.
Order filled.
Someone asked, what is your acceptable daily profit? I mean, some people hate to have daily target like for profit. For Tradify Lucid, I'm trying to aim for $500 a day. On my 28x fund accounts, 250. And on TPT, it's also like 250, $300. So that's why my final, not final, my stop right now set at 266, which is my base hit in my nether accounts. So it's either going to be 266 or I'm going to make a lot. We will see. But happy I close the trade on Tradify and Lucid.
Okay.
I would say I want to hold this 58 if I feel like this trade's going to go any further north.
Stop
Otherwise,
filled.
Lumi's going to take this
Ajá,
and
entonces
run
eso está súper claro.
south.
Tú solo te ves más
Trap
dinero,
it, trap
digamos,
it.
muy bien. Si las ventas no acompañan, el OTB se vuelve negativo.
Please.
It seems grouchy.
Diferencia.
Guys, I use
Resultado
Replicanta
versus
copier.
internacional.
What else do you want to know about this? I use it for 3
Contamos
years, no
claro,
complaints.
lo que me hace.
Works good for me. They recommend to copy up to 20 accounts, but I
Pero el corte
copy
nacional.
sometimes 30 plus accounts. Works good.
Contado versus nacional.
Like there is
¿Cómo
small
debería
difference
usar
in
este
feels,
OTB
but not huge
operativamente?
one.
Planeación de compra, decidir cuánto y cuándo comprar. Control financiero, no sobrepasar
Magnet,
I got
Tasha. I don't have option to put magnets on Ninja Trader.
I,
Sorry about that.
I got to get you onto that trade copy alike. It's the good
tengo
stuff,
más.
man. I know you don't want to cheat on
Ay, no familiar.
Replicanto, but
Mm-hmm.
it's good. It's good.
Trade Sinker, nice one, and Trade Copy are also good one.
Yep.
Sí, precio
They
de acción.
cloud based, if I'm not mistaken.
Optimización de rotación, alinear inventario con ventas reales. El OTB de esta hoja está
I know
pensado
some
como
people trade from their Mac. Unfortunately, you cannot use Ninja Traders there yet, especially, I mean, like Replicanta
Yeah.
in your Mac yet. I think it's
Sí,
going to be
claro,
like yet for now, but they're going to add,
el OTB
please,
se calcula con
to
un
Mac as
saldo
well, Ninja Trader.
de inventario,
But
ventas,
yeah, nice copier is going to be
buen
Trade
análisis.
Sinker if you use Mac, or Trade Copier. Now or
Su
never. Yeah,
familia,
now if it's not going to drop now, it's not going to drop at all today. We're still
I,
expecting New York midnight open.
I choose never.
el próximo mensaje
Can we choose never? Never sounds
Nope.
good. Let's get back
Nope.
to 68.90 or whatever.
ejecutivo por su familia. Oh,
Only
ahora
that
vete para arriba.
and nothing else.
¿Cuál fue el error que pasó?
el de 4, en el
Oh
punto.
man. So I went to the Mario movie last Friday when we would normally be streaming. I was like, this is perfect.
Por la por
Because we were off and the kid was on spring break. So I was like, all right, well,
registro. ¿Qué fue el
I have to tell
registro?
my friend Dasha about this. And she was like, you have a friend? I was like,
Y
yeah, I do. Kind of.
We went,
el tipo
when it
de
was like
número.
April 2nd, when
No
we,
como
yeah,
me
I
lo
guess it
pusiste,
was
era
April 2nd or
inventario
April 3rd,
y
also a
inventario.
week ago. Yeah, it was a good one.
But yes,
My husband was sitting next to me saying like, oh, it's too boring. Why I went with you guys?
It was not boring. It was awesome.
It wasn't boring. I agree, like it wasn't boring. It was a good one.
Order submitted.
But Willow she hasn't been home to watch you and I stream, but I showed her some clips and she thought it was very cool. She's like, do you mean girls can stream? I was like, yeah, girls can trade. I was like, yeah, man, you can click these buttons someday if you want to. She thought that was great. Our big new sport, Dasha, I think is going to be cheer. She just did 3 days of cheer camp, and she told me this morning, Dad, my whole life is cheer now, by the way. So it's like, okay. I guess that's my life then.
Yeah, I'm so excited to meet you in Miami. Yeah, looking forward to this.
Same. Lumi, they're asking you for a gold chart. Can you help the people?
Who asked? I didn't see. Trade copier, it can be trade syncer or trade copia for Macs if you like Mac user. But if you just use your PC, so I would say Replicanta is great option.
Stop filled.
Take another one. We'll see.
Cloud based, yeah. Some people don't like this.
Sure, taking their time with whatever's going to happen here.
Market is so painful. I agree with you. I mean, it's Friday, so
yeah,
it's normal price action for Friday. Make the call. I already like made the call. It didn't help. Check oil.
The market's only painful if you let yourself be in pain. You can harness the power of positive energy and feel good about a painful market if you really want to.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm doing. I've been scalping 4 points down here, so I'm in just as much pain as anybody else.
That's funny. I'm gonna stay simply because I was waiting for this trade for 3 hours. So simply because of this, I need to see my TP or break even. Nothing else. I was patient enough. Come on, market makers. I deserve TP, please.
I agree.
I was patient enough.
Still have this whole, wow, look at that single print from yesterday. Still, my goodness. NQ not as big. That's interesting.
YM was bearish from the very beginning. That's why I was skeptical about longs.
Yeah. There was a moment when ES was going down and NQ was going up, and I have not seen that in a hot minute. So I had a feeling YM was crying in the corner or something. I don't know what it was so sad about, but it was certainly sad about something.
People said we need magnets. I mean, guys, I know, but
Nick, I don't know. I don't know because I don't think TradingView has tick data. So there's probably one, but it doesn't need tick data for that. There's got to be one that will show you 30-minute periods on TradingView. I don't know. I haven't looked at TradingView in a very long time. But they have TPO charts now, don't they? So there's got to be a way. There's got to be a way to have a single print indicator on TradingView. Right? I'm pretty sure.
Well, guys, I found the option for magnets. Let's see if it's going to help us.
Nice. All right. Something's going on. It's getting wiggly. Is somebody talking? What's going on today? It's almost 12:30.
Let me check financial rules to see.
It's Friday. These people give me a break with the news bombs, please.
I don't see anything.
Ok, ponle ahí. Ojo, en la tabla dinámica, ojo, no, bueno, perdón. En la tabla dinámica se puede filtrar por origen. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill. This is fine.
Yeah.
Se separa.
I do like how NQ respects in New York Midnight Open, which makes my trade still look good. But if it's going to break above 290 again, so your long will play out.
Shap, I don't monitor the situation on purpose. I do occasionally see the situation by accident. The only monitoring I do of it really is when an algo slaps a bunch of lots into my face and I get stopped out angrily. Then I know the situation's happening. I don't know what is happening of it, but I know something happened. Dasha, why are they asking you if you're going to fast this weekend? You got to fast this weekend?
Yeah, I have a plan to see. Like lots of people keep recommend, like you need to try to fast for a couple of days to see how you're going to feel right after this. So I read information about this on internet. Google helped me. So
okay,
I will try. I started today, so we will see how it goes.
Are you just doing it for health stuff?
Yes.
I've seen that happen. Okay, cool.
Just to see how it goes.
I've made it a couple days. It's not a good time, but it does get easier after you start.
Mm-hmm. Yes, I want to do 72 hours.
Okay, that's cool.
I really want some fried chicken. Man, you're trying to give up too early.
18 days? That seems a little long. I don't know if I could do that.
Yeah, same.
I'm just probably not healthy enough to be doing that at all. My thing about the Trump tweets is I don't feel like they're worth knowing because I don't think they contain information. Like I just don't think that they exist in reality. So there's not they don't help me do anything. So I find the more stuff I can ignore, the better I am at approaching like life in general. Although I can't believe dude said the F word on Easter. That's wild. That's crazy work.
Come on, hit daily open. So initially I had 4 micros of my 7 micros on daily open. Right now I put 5 micros because I want to see a rejection from daily open. So I'm gonna lock. I hope I'm gonna lock 1100.
Did he really say that, Dasha? My goodness.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. I mean, dude.
Yeah.
It disgusts me that someone would talk like that about other human beings. It's just insane.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
That's crazy.
Dude, it is so hard to raise a kid in a world where the president of the United States disrespects other people's lives that much. Like, holy crap. I can't imagine if my parents had to sort through this life, this timeline that I'm in right now and try to figure out how to teach me right from wrong. Good grief. Sorry. I'm not trying to get political, but that stuff is nuts to me. Wow.
That's why I sent it in the chat, just wild.
Wow.
Dame algunas recomendaciones.
You're literally supposed to tell little kids to treat other people how you'd like to be treated. Like, that's a pretty common parenting thing to say out loud over and over again. How in the world are they supposed to realize that their parents are saying this thing, but the way that the world works is now all the way over here? Like, I don't. Shocked. All right.
All right, back to perception. Nothing happened for the last hour.
Yeah. No, we just came back and touched that 55 spot again. And there's still a bid there, but they are putting a bunch of liquidity lower. So I don't know. They got these 100 lot folks sitting down here at 53, 55, 52, 51, 50.
Nada, anda a arreglar el.
When am I going to start a sourdough company? Never, man. It's hard making bread. I don't want to make bread at scale. It's hard to just make one loaf.
Well, okay, market makers. I didn't want to say this, but no option.
You calling
243 or no, 243 or market is a scam. They're usually scared of this. Yeah, I checked. They're usually scared of this. 243.50, my bad, or market is a scam. I didn't want to do this, guys, really.
Ah, they're going to take this low. Let's see. What do I got? I got 2.75 points in there. All right, risking $50. That's fine. We'll get stopped out. We might have to get back in, though.
I believe yes, right now going to 68.50.50.
Okay.
And if no reaction, 68.25 will be low of the day, around this level. Lower. Takes us 43.50, please. 7 points away. I know you can do this. Come on.
Si tú tienes un televisor que es importado y un televisor que es nacional y tienes stock del nacional y no del importado, el nacional va a empezar a absorber.
Yesterday's lows, Jay. That would be low.
Let me see the price for this.
Are they going to they tick me out to the tick? Oh, it's going to suck.
If it's going to reverse, it will be painful. I agree with you. So technically, previous daily low level only yes possible if it was not Friday. So
they're still on it.
Guys, I do expect to get TJF. My final TP, let me move my perfect magnets. My final TP sets slightly above TJF. So okay. I do expect to get this. See, I put it at 122, but I believe TJF set right now at 102. Just in case. It's Friday, so I put this at 122, but I really, really want to see TGF today. And please, 243.50. See, I did not close a trade. I was waiting all morning. Let me actually delete this level right now.
Oh my gosh. Come on, get through it. This is brutal.
I hope my
Come
husband
on.
doesn't watch this right now because he will say like, what was the point to hold this when it was like a couple of ticks away from your TP? And I have nothing to say.
Does your husband trade too?
Not truly. I mean, he knows a lot about trading, about ICT concept. He trades from time to time, but not like
Okay.
every single day.
Well, that's cool. You guys can at least talk about the same
Oh, no,
stuff
no, no,
like
no,
that.
no, 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 no.
No?
Please, no.
Oh, all right.
I always think about divorce, how to kill him when he's trying to tell me like, why you didn't close here? I know, guys. If he's watching right now, he gonna say, what was the problem to take partial here? It was like 1 point away. It's not going to make huge difference, and I know it's going to end bad. Please, market makers, to avoid this. 243. I'm not asking a lot.
Oh,
Save
funny.
family, please. Save family.
I don't have a single soul that knows what any of this stuff is in my real life outside of my friends on the internet. So it's I don't have a single. I could never.
It was a good one.
You got this. They're gonna get it. Come on. Woo!
Yay!
There it goes.
Okay, 2 micros left. We did this. Next TP at 203.75. Time to delete this level.
All right. So ES completed the stat with its overnight low. Crazy.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. So my next TP is set at London low. Okay, I cleaned my chart a little bit. And that's because of my magnets, of course.
Yeah, you're right. Actually, that's exactly when it started to work.
Yep.
That's crazy.
It must be this color, guys. Take notes, save screenshots, pictures, pink, blue, and black. Only this order. Don't try to mix colors. It's not gonna work. Only like this, and that's it. Family saved. Woohoo!
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Oh, yes, Yeshwan. The stat. I mean, it's likely that the overnight high or low gets taken out at some point in the session, and it's also likely that either an IB high or low is taken. And so I just watch ES and NQ and just watch for those two things to happen. And NQ took out its overnight high and broke its IB high and low now, which is a weird thing. Speaking of
Order
stats,
submitted.
double IB break is weird. But ES had not taken out either until just now. And as we got, I don't know, 6 points away from the overnight high, that seemed like the more likely candidate for that. But yeah, that didn't happen. So yeah. I'm happy I still got some decent scalps off down here, but that was definitely counter trend. Now I'm looking for at least 40. We're looking for 46.50 next. I can't believe I'm looking at downside targets right now. Yes,
68.25.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's crazy, but right now it looks possible.
No, I agree. Yeah, ES and Q just not being on the same page today is definitely messing with me a little bit.
I put some projections on my chart. So London low seems like absolutely obvious TP right now. So 203.75, it's 1 point away higher than London high. So it also lines up with 2 and 2.5 standard deviation projections. So from a London low, we can get reaction back to 280, around so 280, 260. And if not going to break New York midnight open, free fall by the end of the day to 103, around so 100 technically. I think so. I noticed lots of people right now trading IB breaks. I never ever heard about this in my life, but I see lots of people keep mentioning about IB break, IB break, low break. What is that? Like, guys, share the secrets. Is it like good strategy?
It's not a secret. It's not a special strategy. The initial balance is the first hour of trading.
Initial balance, okay.
Yep. So that's the IB. Some folks, hold on, I got to try to figure out if I'm going to get in this trade or not. I am. So my range expectation for ES was actually just met there at 36. Somebody mentioned that the ES ATR is still 1 billion points right now. You got to like, the reason you can't stay glued to the ATR is if volatility contracts or expands quickly, it's not going to be an accurate thing. So you have to have some sort of way you can quantify that, whether it be with a look back period that you enjoy, something. Come on, baby, get out of here. Can we be done going down, please?
Okay, someone asking about projections. Let me show you what I put. Going to right now move my screen here. So for projections, sorry guys, I know like lots of levels on my chart. Gonna clean this a little bit. For projections, I used last swing low and swing high. So the very last move up before reversal. And normally, I'm not sure if you use projections. I expect to get reaction from the range between 2 and 2.5 back to the range between 1 and 1.5. And if it's going to hold this range, normally price trying to offer straight move towards 4 standard deviation. So I put this projection from here to here. Right now, look at this 2 standard deviation, which lines up with London low. And final TP set right below 100. So basically inside TGIF. Make sense? I hope so. Okay, I'm gonna bring this back.
Order filled.
London low at 202.75, my TP at 203.75. Just in case.
Okay.
Solid green day.
Testing this previous low spot here. I will take one. I'm sorry. I switched again. All right. I'm on NQ
Use
now.
scalp and I guess it's okay. Oh, NQ, okay.
So I keep forgetting which screen everybody's looking at. Yeah. So what I was the thing that has been grinded me is, I mean, NQ has been a lot stronger today. We just got down and talked to NQ's V range, point extreme, and this was its London 30-second opening range. This is pretty much where all of this long started from. When London is almost entirely long like this, I've looked for a retest of this. The thing that's been messing with me today is that ES did it, and that's why I was long in here on ES. But now ES is below its London opening range, so I don't know. Mom and dad are fighting right now, pretty much is what's going on, and I'm just trying to scalp in between. Chris, I don't believe in bull traps. The market only goes up. There's no trap. The only trap is not being long enough. I'm just kidding.
Okay. I think I'm gonna trail my stop loss right now to this high. So 42 points in profit.
Let's see if this seller steps in here or not. I'm trying.
I kind of would like to see a bit more to downside to offer deep retracement up again. So retracement is going to be like 80, 70 points on NQ from around 200. I think so, according to my projections. Let's see if I'm right.
Oh no! Rats! I hit the wrong hotkey. Dang it!
You closed your trade?
I did. Oh, nuts! Nuts! Oh, that's okay. I can't be mad about taking profit, but it's okay. Yeah, I hit flatten instead of sell. Whoops.
Oh no.
That's okay. It's gonna go straight up now, just so everybody knows, chat. Yep, there it goes.
They knew this.
Oh,
He cut his trades. Time to
thank you.
Just break the roof.
Order submitted.
That is the signal. That's the signal. Everybody caught it. I hope you guys saw it. Straight up now. New highs.
Look, by the way, amazing reaction from Daily Open. That's pretty much exactly what I wanted to see. Let me show you. I need to do this on my screen. Daily Open. See, that's why I was waiting for this level. So I was in with 7 micros. Right now, 2 micros left. I took 5 micros off at this Daily Open. So technically just runners left. But Daily Open should offer reaction. Let me check ES real quick. Oh, ES also took London low. So we have SMT. So yeah, maybe, I don't know. I still would like to see lower, but maybe it will retrace deeper right now. Back to New York midnight open, back to 10 a.m. open. So there is a chance. So I agree with your longs right now. I didn't notice this initially, but your long was good.
Well, thanks. Number one, but I need it to go a lot lower so that I didn't pull my trade for no reason. So now it needs to go to 0 so I don't have to think about it anymore. Yeah, ES is still. I guess this is the SMT thing. When I just call it divergence between ES and NQ. When they're doing this, and I don't have a high conviction either way, it's really hard for me to form like a non-scalping thesis, and I really don't have one. Because ES is continuation lower, and like so is NQ, but NQ hasn't run that overnight low yet, like you said. So, yeah, they still look like crap, though. I mean, there's still a seller doing stuff. Maybe it was a good thing that I closed my trade right then. Maybe that was meant to be.
Maybe. Only what I don't like about longs for the rest of the day. YM and ES below daily open. Yeah, 6 p.m. But in Q, like broke below, but kind of stuck at this level. So it doesn't make me feel to long this. I can expect reaction to upside, but I cannot say I'm bullish. But yeah, scalp long possible. Saying about reversal just for now, not really. Maybe something will change, but I cannot say, oh, it's like, oh my God, it's reversal right now. Not really yet.
Yeah. Well, like the other problem is like when we gap up, when we have that insane move like we've had, it's hard to keep that out of the back of my mind that there's like a literal vacuum below us that we gapped above. I mean, that is, as long as we continue to build volume up here, that is a sign of strength. But all right, now I'm sad. I'm gonna cry in 10 more points. I'm gonna cry. They even gave me the chance to get back in at my exit too.
I just noticed so might be Just saw my PNL. It's just crazy big today.
What's up, Jim?
No crying in
hello,
Ninja
hello.
Trader Live. No
There's
crying.
no crying.
Come
Who's
on.
crying?
I'm the only one that cries, and that's when Christian tells his life story because he's my hero. Great job, you guys.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, I don't think this day's over, man. I think there's going to be some action.
Yeah.
So
They only started. So yeah, definitely.
for
They
sure.
started like 11 at 11 a.m. So definitely PM session can be good.
Lumi, your levels are wicked good.
Yeah, so good so far. Let's see if it continues dropping. I mean, I don't mind.
Yeah, for sure.
No, that was a good show. I mean, you waited all morning for it. You called it that you were going to take it if this happened. As soon as we got on, and I think I was blabbing about something, and I saw us cross that 320 spot, and I was like, "All right, let me tell me when you get in the short," and you did. And yeah, we went all the way down there. It was great. Great trade.
Yeah, funny because once it broke 320, like it's just never in drawdown trade. Never ever. Just immediately went in profit.
Yep.
Cool.
Stowe, man, I'm getting all positive vibes this weekend, man.
Good.
No,
Good.
all positive vibes going forward.
That sounds good.
Yeah. As a matter of fact, I had to change my shirt from Capital Preservation Friday with PAX because on Capital Preservation Friday, there's like a time zone adjustment with respect to Martini o'clock. It's a weird thing. It happens around the globe, but that time changes. It adjusts forward.
Good.
Let me shake her head. All right.
So you roll forward on Friday, but you never roll back though. So it's like it's always all right. Cool, that makes sense. That's a good contract you're working with.
I get to meet Lumi. You're coming, right, Lumi? I'm seeing you in Miami, right?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. I can't wait to meet you. I want to remind everybody in the chat to check on if you did kind of register for the Miami thing, if you're in that area, you haven't seen an email from us. Check your spam filter, your junk filter. If you're still having trouble, shoot off an email to me at learn@ninjatrader.com, LEARN. I think that's how you spell learn, at ninjatrader.com, and I'll help you track it down. So we've already had a few people email me, so I know email is a tricky business these days. But we want you to meet the gang. You can meet Lumi, you can meet Stowe. It's going to be awesome. By the way, May 15th, Lumi, we're tripping up to Pittsburgh for a Pittsburgh Pirates game, but more importantly, to see the midnight marathons played live.
Midnight marathons. Lumi, it'll be warm by then if you wanted to bring the fam. Yeah, it'll be warm. Yeah. In theory, it'll probably be raining, but it will at least be in the 40s to 50s, which we consider warm.
Yes. Think about this.
Bring Mr. Lumi. It'll be fun. We're a lot of fun. You'll see Shy's gonna come. We got Mike Burke's gonna come. Mike Burke's the best. You got Mike Burke's gonna come, Shy, and then another fella from Ninja. That's gonna be good.
I will think about this. Yeah, we're gonna move on May 28th, so I guess I will have time.
Yeah. Anyway.
Yeah, we're moving to South Florida.
Oh, nice.
I already hate this, but yeah.
Even warmer.
Even warmer, yeah.
What part of South Florida, real quick?
So we're gonna live in Boca Raton.
Ooh. Got it.
Yeah.
Got it. Very
Central
nice.
Boca.
Very nice. All right, a couple announcements, guys. Other than the Miami thing, actually only one announcement. Don't forget Sunday night. Sunday night, 2 hours, kicking off Sunday night with Craig Shapiro and company in Ninja Trader Live. PAX will be there. Sarah's there, and Farm. It's a great way to kind of start your week, know what we're up against, kind of look at what happened going backward the previous week, what happens over the weekend. It's a super, super great show. And that's then followed right after that, right? It's seamless. We have our friends at Kraken doing the crypto closeout show with Ponzi Trader and Trader Main. That's also awesome. So that's 2 hours Sunday night. Great way to start the week off for sure. And you'll see the Globex Open and the bell ring and all the good analysis that's done by the Ninja Trader Live crew. So hopefully we'll see you Sunday night. Having said all that, let's give these two a round of applause for a job well done.
Thanks, buddies. Thanks for hanging, chat.
Yeah, super cool. All right, guys, listen, you
Yeah.
guys have a fantastic weekend, Stowe. Lumi, thank you so much. I will talk to you next week. I will see you next week also. I can't
Yep.
wait for that. And then I'm going to do a quick edge report and we're going to wrap it up for the day. So thank you,
Cool.
guys.
All right. Thanks.
Bye, guys.
Oh my goodness. All right. So E-mini S&P, interesting day today. So tight range today. This is a 10-minute chart. I got my 10-minute chart. It's usually my go-to chart. And just look at the top bar. I got this plugin that Mike Burke made for us, and it gives some stats on the market that we're looking at. And one of the things I'm looking at is average range. It's a 34-day average range. It's 124 points. And then I look at where are we at today? 41 points. That's 33% of that average range. So super tight range right away. Now, then the second thing I do at this point in the day, I'm going to look at the volume. The volume is 818,000. That's not bad. I mean, it's not a huge amount of volume. It's, we're not going to break any records, but it's still a pretty decent pace that we've added since the open. So that's kind of number two. And then number three, I'm like, all right, we're going into a weekend where there's still a lot of friction, a lot of conflict. So is it going to be risk off by the end of the day? So all of those things put together, I'm thinking we're not going to end with a 33% range today. We're going to break out one way or the other. And in my humble opinion, and I could be totally wrong, everybody, don't get short right now just because I am. But we might see a breakout to the downside. And so let's just take a look at some of those targets that I have on my screen. We have the pivot down at 43. That's the daily pivot. It's a very common indicator that a lot of people use. Jack's 3 down here at 68.25. And then S1 is a little bit below that at 86.10. So there's 3 really discrete targets on the downside that are well within reach of that range. On the upside, we got a lot of work to do. I'm not even going to get too excited until we break that VWAP. And that VWAP is at 68.66. And just to put it in a little bit more perspective, let's just go to a daily chart really quickly here. And you can see the start of a turnaround doji. I mean, if we close right here, I'm going to call it a turnaround doji. But really nice rally. Remember, all month, the month of April, right? We started back here on the 31st, and then we just kind of ripped up. And now it's like, all right, there's a pause here. This could be a significant pause. And a lot of times you see that after these big rips higher. There'll be some candle patterns here we'll be able to identify also on Monday and Tuesday. So best of luck, everybody. That's today's this afternoon. It is this afternoon, actually, now that we're going to 1 o'clock on Friday, Edge Report. And I do want to thank everybody for being part of the Ninja Trader community. You guys are the best community that I've been involved in. I love being here. Thank you so much for all your positive support, the subscriptions, the thumbs up, all of that good stuff. Appreciate you guys. Remember, going in a weekend, especially going into the weekend, most important message, please be safe out there. Be good to each other. We'll see you Sunday night.
¿Dónde viste eso?